We've lived here in this home for 21 years now, and this was the model home. And after 20 years, it was dated.
I'm a certified kitchen designer and also a certified living place. To figure out who is the best choice for contractors is very important to lead to a successful project. Pine Butters is my first choice.
This project's very unique because it was a model home 20 years ago, but was not modern anymore. The fact that we were able to keep the existing footprint and have that dramatic of a change is amazing.
It's the little things. It's the small details that can mean the most to the client.
I truly think they exceeded at least my expectation.
If you go back and look at the before and afters that Mark and Joseph had pictures, it's just day and night.
Everything is just perfect. Perfect.